The final piece of modeling that I wanted to discuss is to help our children and ourselves decrease procrastination. One of the best ways we can do this is to narrate our mental processes out loud when we're trying to beat procrastination. If we know we need to answer those emails, but we really don't want to do it, talk about your internal processes out loud. Say things like, I really don't want to answer these emails right now, but I know if I do it now, I won't have to worry about it later and it won't be hanging over my head. Maybe I should go to my dedicated productivity spot. Saying things like that out loud, your children may roll their eyes now, especially when they're teenagers, but it's great for them to hear that you're struggling as well. Other ways we can model this out loud is we can talk about how we break down big tasks into small manageable steps. Things like, I have to cook a Thanksgiving meal and I'm so overwhelmed. Maybe I should start by creating an ingredient list for just one dish, or however you would break that down. Processing that out loud and modeling it will show them how we can break these big overwhelming things down and actually get started. And finally, the way you approach hard tasks to get momentum can be helpful for them to hear as well. So things like, this may be the hardest task, I'm gonna work on this first, or I'm gonna work on the easiest task first because I like to get momentum. However you attack it is great for them to hear. There's no wrong way to do this.